everybody, welcome. Now, today I'm going to be doing a subscriber recipe. So this one's for Jackie and Beryl. They sent me this, and they said they loved my pastry experiments and all that. Bloody pastry. And they come up with a little concoction themselves and say they wanted to try it, so I'm going to try it today. So let me show you what I got, and then we'll start cooking and building and making and tasting, and let's show you. I have got one large onion chopped. It says mixed peppers, but I just bought one pepper and just chopped them up. Half a cup of frozen peas. She says microwave them, pre-microwave, but I'm not going to because they've been sitting out for a couple of minutes now, so they're just defrosting. Some sweet chilli. I got sweet chilli and garlic. She says just get the dip, but I thought, well, I'm going to get that because it's got a bit of garlic in it as well, give that extra taste. Some extra garlic as well. I got minced beef and onion. Now, I've never ever had that before, them tins, so that'd be nice for me. A tin of sliced carrots, Worcester sauce, tomato sauce, bit of salt and pepper, one vegetable stock. And she says get all-purpose seasoning, but I forgot it up the shop, so I'm just going to use some mixed herbs. And she says do a pastry top, but I'm not going to. People have been mentioning this. I've never ever had it before, this one. People have been saying try the Idaho, so I'm going to do a short crust pastry bottom with a pastry. Wish me luck. And I'm going to put cheesy mash on top, just to see what it comes out like. So it should be quite simple. This is basically put it all in a pan, get it heated up. Right, I've got my oven warming up, but I'm going to cook all this first because I'm going to get this cold before it goes in the pastry. Because that's what everyone tells me, make sure it gets cold first. So let's get all this done first. So basically, you just stick everything in and just season it to your taste as you go along. So I'm going to stick the minced beef and onion in. As I say, I've never had it. That's it there. This was from Aldi. Probably need a spoon to get that out, won't I? I suppose this should be good for pies, wouldn't it, this? Simple, easy to make. Get it all in. Smells a bit like dog food. Onions and peppers. It's basically just pour it all in all together. You want the carrots with the water. And then all the seasoning. I'll let that cook down for a minute first. Well, that's just started simmering now, so I'm going to get all the condiments in. You want a dessert spoon of brown sauce. Get that in. It says a good dollop of this. Well, a sweet chilli dip, but I just got this one. So I'm going to put a good dollop of that in there. That'll do. Worcestershire sauce, whatever you want to call it. Chilli flakes. Depending on how hot you like it. Mixed herb, I say that she did say all seasoning, but I'm going to use mixed. Bit of that. Bit of garlic puree. So I'll put too much garlic in there maybe. Then I want a vegetable cube, crumpled up. There you go, give it a mix. Actually, it smells quite nice, that does, to be honest. That does smell quite nice. And some salt and pepper to taste. Pepper. Salt. Now, I'm going to leave that to do its thing for a bit, simmer down and that. Right, I think that's done. I'm going to leave that to settle now. It's get cold. I've just had a little taste and it's a lovely sweet taste in that. That is lovely. It's got a nice little kick to it as well, off the chilli flakes. Right, I'm going to leave that off. That tastes really nice. I'm just started doing my pastry here. You know what I'm like with pastry. I think I've got it right once, I think. But then the cake didn't work out or something. Something happened anyway, I can't remember which one it was now. Oh, that gypsy tart. No, it weren't. Was it a gypsy tart? I think it might have been that gypsy tart. The pastry was alright, but the tart itself was terrible. Just going to get some of these in. And I'm going to get that in the oven. While that's in the oven doing, I'm going to make this now. So apparently with this you've got to add 475ml of boiling water to a bowl. Stir in the packet using a fork to evenly wet all potatoes. Let rest for 1 minute. Okay, got some hot water. I'm going to pour the hot water in here first. I'm using a plastic bowl, I hope it doesn't melt. Which you shouldn't do. And gradually mix this in as you go, I suppose, that's what it says. I think. Stir a packet using a fork, yeah. So that's what we'll do. Get it open. Oh, smells very cheesy, that does. There it is there. Just like smashing it. Pour it in, keep mixing. That's it, now leave it to rest for 1 minute it says. I'm not going to season it either. Does taste nice with just like that really. Right, I'm getting the pastry. I did take what they call them ceramic things out of it. And I've done the bottom. I'm getting a bit better with this pastry like, ain't I? See? Keep trialing and erroring and I'm getting there slowly. And I've just tasted this. And it's absolutely delicious, honest to God. And I did put just a little drop of cornflour in there just to thicken it up a bit. But it tastes gorgeous, it really does. So, let's get some of that in this pie dish, whatever you want to call it. That's cooled down a bit. I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to get some mash on the top. Well, some Idaho. So there's loads left, look. I mean, you could make a big pie, but I'm just going to make a small one. Yeah, Jackie says put, do a top like a pastry top, but I want to try it with this mash. I'm going to pile that on. Don't know if it's going to sink. Probably, knowing me. I'm going to have it quite high and I'm just going to have in it, I might have put too much juice in that in there. It's probably run over. But, I don't care. It's all how it tastes for me. It's all in the taste. Not the look. I'm just going to pour that on top like that. A bit like whipped cream in it. That mash is quite nice. And I'm going to put a little bit of grated cheese on the top as well. Just a little bit. Then that's going to go back in the oven then till it starts browning up a bit. 10-15 minutes I suppose. Yeah, it's going to run over the edge there, look, but as you say, let's see if I can block it down a bit at the edges. There's that spoon. There we go. And I will put that in the oven. It's ready. And it looks delicious actually, to be fair. I've had it cooling down for a couple of minutes. There it is. Let me stick it on this board. It might be better if it's on this board, so I can show you, because I've got an handle. Looks like whipped cream, doesn't it, out of the top? It's gorgeous, looks gorgeous. And the taste of it inside, when I've cooked it, it's really nice. And Nat tried it. She says, oh, could she have some of that for tea? So I've just made her. She didn't want the pastry. So she just had like a shepherd's pie one. A bit of cheese on the top with smash. So, now can I get it out of the container? That's the question. Let's find out. Right, I'm going to cut around the edge. See if I can grab it. See what this pastry's come out like. Here we go. Moment of truth. Uh-oh, breaking underneath. No, it's breaking there. Uh-oh, I'm going to shouldn't have picked that up with my hands. I'm going to spatula. If I can get it underneath. Should have left it in here now. I wanted to get it out to show you, see, but never mind. I'm not going to get it now, it's all cracked at the edge, at the back. It's all cracked there, look. That was me, I went to pick it up with my hands. I think I'm going to slide that off now. Well, there we go anyway. I mean, you can just eat it in there anyway, can't you? But I wanted to get it out and show it. But, not to worry. Right, let's have a taste test. Yeah, it's all collapsed at the back now, but that's my fault. That is absolutely my fault. It was perfect till I started messing. But, let's give it a taste anyway. Well, I have tasted the inside. Because she did say season to taste, so I did, but I haven't tried it all together, so let's have a go. Oh yes, oh yes. I tell you what, that short crust pastry with that mix is absolutely gorgeous. That's lovely. It really is. Well done, Jackie and Beryl. I should have just kept it in the pie dish, shouldn't I? But I wanted to show you. My fault. That is superb. Oh wow. You got that lovely sweet taste with that chilli kick and that short crust pastry. I'm see if Nat wants to try some. She did try some of the sauce, but she hasn't tried it all together. Let me see. She can't, she's in the shower. Well, never mind. But there you go. That's simple and delicious. Try it yourself. I will 100% make that again. That is delicious, honest to God. Wow. The fly, got a fly there now. Got a white fly. Thank you, Jackie Bell, sending me that. That was really good. I also want to say, Trevor, your birthday's coming up soon, mate. Have a happy birthday for when it comes up. And I hope you have a good one. And to Jackie and Beryl, thank you for that. That was absolutely brilliant. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. That was delicious. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye. Marry more, marry more. Bye.